Do you want to change the URL or the address of a page or post you've already created in WordPress? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Bjorn from WPLearningLab. If you get value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Now let's get started. First, you have to navigate to the page or post you want to change the URL for. Let's go to Posts, see a list of all of our posts. Make sure you find one that's published, i.e. doesn't say draft after it. If you click on Quick Edit underneath any one, it shows you the slug, which is the URL or the address for this post. You can change it right here if you want. Let's make this 12 plumbing tips. You can also go to Edit to see the entire post. And on the right-hand side, we see the slug right here. If we click on this link, it pops up this little window and we can change it however we want in here. Then we click Save and our URL is updated. But you might want to also redirect the old address to the new one. If you're getting traffic from SEO or search engines or social media or anything to that old link, once you change that link to be something else, that URL to be something else, that traffic is just going to get a 404. They're not going to see what they're looking for. So in most cases, you want a 301 redirect the old URL to the new one. Just go to my channel and search for 301 redirect. There's a bunch of videos there that will help you do that. If you got value from this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this playlist right up here, which is all about improving your WordPress skills. So if you want to do that, check out that playlist and I will see you there.